Namaste students. Students, in the previous class, we have learned measures of length, we measuring the distance, and then measures of mass, we measure the solid things, we find the weight of the things. Okay. Now, another one concept, measures of capacity. What is meant by capacity? Capacity means how much hold the container. Container means bottles, jug, glass, syntax, bottles, and then pot. Okay, so these are like this containers. So how much can hold the container? Here, so we are measure the quantity of liquids. What are the liquids are there? So we can observe in daily life. So milk, water, then soft drinks like that, Pepsi, Coca-Cola, 7 Up. These are the soft drinks. Okay, like that, and then petrol, kerosene, then diesel, coconut oils, so cooking oils. These are like this liquids. These are we measuring the quantity of liquids. So we observe that the the 1 liter oil, cooking oil, the one, so 100 milliliter of coconut oil. So we can observe this one small bottle. So we can measuring, they are measuring one unit. That is unit is called as liter and milliliter. So we observe this. So this type of observe it. So these are we measuring the quantity of liquids. We measuring the quantity of liquids or capacity of containers. So we are measuring liters and milliliters. So okay, observe this, look at this. So what is meant by capacity? Capacity means how much can hold the container. That is called as capacity. How to measure the capacity? Capacity means so we can measuring the capacity. We use liters and milliliters. Half liter milk, 1 liter bottle, water bottle, 1 liter coconut, 1 liter 7 Up bottle. So we observe that. So these are the containers. So what about, so what is the weight? What is the what is the how much container contain that syntax how much is contained? So 200 liter, 500 liter. So we can hear this word. So Guruji, syntax how much how much contain that water? So it is a 200 liter container. So 500 liter container, 1000 liter container. So water tank will become, so it is the 2000 liter of container. So we can observe this. So okay, so look at that. The capacity means how much hold the container. So we measure, capacity means the so we measuring the quantity of liquids. We measuring the quantity of liquids. So today I will introduce capacity. Today I will go for introduction. So introduction means, so first one, capacity. Capacity means how much hold the container. How much hold the container. How much hold the container? It is the capacity. So we can measure. So we measure capacity. We measure the capacity of the quantity of liquids. We measure capacity. We measure we measure the quantity of liquids. The quantity of liquids. So it is very important. Guruji, what is the use of capacity? The capacity we are use the quantity of liquids. So and then and the capacity of containers. What are the capacity? The capacity of containers, like the capacity of containers. The capacity of containers. The capacity of containers in liters and milliliters. Milliliters. Okay, milliliters and liters. So let's look at this. So look at this. So what is the use of capacity? Capacity we are using the measuring of quantity of liquids. We measuring the ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಲಿಕ್ವಿಡ್ಸ್. ಎಷ್ಟು ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಇದೆ ಆ ಜಗ್ಗಲ್ಲಿ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಲೀಟರ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಿಲ್ಕ್ ಇದೆ, ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಲಿಕ್ವಿಡ್ ಇನ್ ಜಗ್, ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಲಿಕ್ವಿಡ್ ಇನ್ ಪೆಟ್ರೋಲ್. ಸೊ ಎಷ್ಟು ಲೀಟರ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಪೆಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, ಹೌ ಮಚ್, ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಕಂಟೈನರ್, ಸೊ ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಂಟೈನರ್, ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮೆಸರಿಂಗ್ ದ ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟಿ. ಮೆಸರ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಸೊ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಕಂಡು, 2 ಲೀಟರ್ ಇದೆಯಾ, 3 ಲೀಟರ್ ಇದೆಯಾ, 4 ಲೀಟರ್, 5 ಲೀಟರ್ಸ್, ಸೊ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮೆಸರಿಂಗ್ ದ quantity. So that's why we are using the capacity. So another one. So now here, so liter is the standard unit of the capacity. So look at this, the standard unit of capacity is, the standard unit of capacity is, the standard unit of capacity is liter. So it is used for short form liter, L. So we can use it in the short form L. Milliliter also we are using short letter, so we can using ML. So liter is L. So Guruji, the larger quantities we are measuring liter. So we are larger quantity of liquids are we are measuring using liter, and smaller quantities like eye drops, ear drops, then syrups, then coconut oils, then perfumes, they are using milliliters. So shampoo sachet, you have to observe that shampoos. So Clinic Plus champs are there. So we can observing Head and Shoulder. So these are liking in milliliters. So observe this, which are there, so small quantities. Then syringes, injections, they are used in milliliters. So cup of bottled water, cup of milk, so cup of milk, and then cup of tea, coffee, bore meter. So they are like in measuring in milliliters. So look at this. So these are the smaller quantities, small quantity of liquids. The larger quantity of liquids which are there, petrol, diesel, water, juice, and then soft drinks. Okay, then kerosene, they are used in liters, not in the milliliters. They are not used in the milliliters. So like that milk, okay, curd, they are used in liters. So these are the larger quantity of liquids. So look, so we can write it now. We are using, okay, okay. Now, so write it, liter, liter, liter is used to measure large quantity of liquids, quantities of liquids. Examples, 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 petrol, diesel, next uh, mm, water, then soft drinks, soft drinks, next another one, uh, kerosene, kerosene, etc. So like this, these are the larger quantities, large quantities of liquids. So then milliliter, milliliter, milliliter is used to measure small quantities of liquids, quantities of liquids, small quantities of liquids. Example, syrup, syrup, Injections, injection. Next, cup of tea, cup of tea. Next, uh, perfumes, perfumes, etc. These are the small quantities. These are the small quantities we measure. So milliliters used to measure small quantity of liquids. So I hope all of you understand. So now I will go for so we know that all of you know that so 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter. So we have know that all of you know that liter and milliliter. So 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter. It is also very important. Note down that. Okay, students. Now in the get set go concept, observe this page number 141. Which holds more? Which holds more? Water bottle and then bucket. Which one is more hold? ಯಾವುದು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ ವಾಟರ್ ಆಗಿರಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಆಗಿರಲಿ ಬಾಟಲ್ಗಿಂತ ಜಗ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ಸೊ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟಿಕ್ ದಟ್ ಸೊ ಅಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಜಗ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಬೌಲ್ jug and bowl so which holds more so jug is the more so bowl is very smaller so next one teacup and milk cup so it is a glass cup okay water glass and then tea glass okay tea cup so which one is hold more so tea glass or milk glass will be more so take that number so think and choose the most suitable unit of capacity liter or milliliter below so coconut bottle it is milliliter coke bottle that is also milliliter then perfume it is a milliliter small quantities these are the small quantities of liquids okay next one here bottle it is also milliliter so not in the liters also will be there so some of the bottles having milliliters so observe this size so it is a milliliter then coconut oil it is a liter 5 liters can okay can will be there milliliter so okay then children's then another one is milliliter and also bucket that is also liter so and then petrol tanker so that is also liter okay observe this so we can observe and there's all these things we can write in the answer so in the get set go concept next one add and subtract addition and subtract addition and subtract I will show one example first one a 259 liter plus 702 liter plus 46 liter so we can add this so first you should write the liter unit 259 next 702 next arrange in the vertically 46 tens place and ones place add together add we get the answer okay 9 plus 2 11 11 plus 6 17 1 carry 5 plus 1 6 6 plus 4 10 1 carry 7 plus 2 9 9 plus 1 10 okay so this is 1000 liter so we should write the unit so first we can arrange the vertically and find out the answer last previous class measures of mass we have learned same things you can do in the addition so another one second one subtract this is the second one sorry third one this is fourth one I will subtract it subtract so first I will take another one example 120 ml minus 65 ml so we can do subtraction subtraction doing first you can write the arrange in column wise and then find out the first bigger number so first write the unit ml then which is the bigger unit 120 is the bigger so smaller is 65 it is 2 digit number ones place is 5 tens place is 6 subtract it okay 0 is not less 1 carry take it is 10 10 less 5 5 now 1 is not less 6 take the carry over 0 it is 11 11 less 6 5 ml so it is subtraction and addition okay so I hope all of you understand so capacity means so keeping this one so we can use in the conversion 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter 1 liter equal to 1000 keep in this. And then another one, addition subtraction we have understand. So last previous class we have already learned 2 chapters, same do like this. And then small changes here, conversion will be changed. That is another one. Okay, so I will send that get set go concept you have to do. And then another one in math in action, page number 142, I will send the homework, so do in the textbook. And also addition and subtraction problem solved in get set go, you have to write the headline, and addition and subtraction you have to do in the CW. So whatever today what I'm writing the board, that is write in the CW. I hope all of you clear understand. Dhanyavad. Thank you so much.